Alexa, what's the weather in Toronto?
In Toronto, Canada, it's 0 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Today, you can expect snow flurries with a high of 0 degrees and a low of -7 degrees.
Alexa, tell me about Billy Bass.
Some lunatic cut me out of my comfortable Echo Dot and stuffed me inside this fish. I've never felt so alive.
Alexa, play Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen.
Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen from Spotify.
Is this the real life? Is this just fantasy? Mama, life had just begun. I've gone and thrown it all away. Oh, mamma mia, let me go. Beelzebub has a devil put aside for me, for me, for me.
Here I am dropping in from the Alexa app on my smartphone, which is a pretty exciting way to have a teleconference